I'd like to welcome you guys to Whitewater State Park. Last time my wife and I were here was 4 years ago. I'm going to take you to one of the spots we got on video before, and it is magnificent. From here, we're going to go to Brookville and look at the reservoir there, then probably the beach. So today, let's enjoy it, guys. By the way, we are in Liberty, Indiana. Wait until you guys see this. Oh, ain't this beautiful, guys? Last time we was here, there was a couple fishermen down yonder there.
Go down there and you're dead.
And you got some stairs going down. That's how you get down there. Since we've not had no rain here in Indiana, it's kind of dry. And over here, oh, I guess this will be what they call whitewater. We turn the camera around. Spectacular. Now, last time we was here, we was trying to find places to fish. There is some, but there's not really a lot unless you have a boat. Of course, last time we was here, you can't see them, but there's a lot of docks and stuff over yonder there, right? And there was a lot of people fishing off them. Now, we are here on a weekday. The last time we was here was a weekend. Yeah, I'm just giving a full pan around. Give you an idea of my location. I just now noticed Angie and Damon, yes, our youngest son is with us today because he is getting some photos. He's the photographer of the family. Yeah. Starting off photography, he's an amateur. So, I don't know how far down they're going. And my puppy dog Kitt is with them. Here's the steps they went down. Huh. Well, I'm not going down to the bottom. I guess Dame is. So let's swing up. If I can move this up, right? Let's get back to where we was at and we'll see them. I think they're going to the bottom. I don't trust my leg anymore on a lot of steps. So that's why I'm not going down. Okay. Here we go. Nah, they're not going down. Let me turn the gimbal down a little bit. Stop, that's up. Right there they are. Oh no, they're headed to the bottom. Angie's going, as you can hear, I still have whatever I have. She's going to curse the fact that she went down there. I'm going to tell you that now. Because what goes down must come up. If I'm not mistaken, I thought there was another set of steps right yonder there going down. As a matter of fact, I'm pretty sure there is. Well, I don't know. I'm thinking at one time there was, but there is a fence. There's a fence blocking it off. And the reason I'm thinking at one time there was because there was a couple guys fishing from that end. The only way I can see them getting over that, I'm going to go down a little bit more. They would have to come down this wall and walk across that, and that would not be safe. That would not be safe at all. Hey! They can't hear me. Oh, they're there. You got all these steps to climb back up. Well, I guess until they make it back up, we'll find something to do. Me and you guys. I wouldn't normally hit them steps, but since me injuring my leg a year ago today, I don't want to take that much of a chance. No. It's not 100% up to par, and I don't want to get halfway down the steps and it go completely out on me. So we just go over here. We're going to go right over there and see what that says. More than likely, today's video is going to be very lengthy, okay? Because we're going to get other parts of here, I think. And then we're going to head over towards Brookville, which is 17 miles down that way. And we're going to get the Brookville Lake and the beach. Last time we was here, oh, it's a trail. Oh yes, it's a trail. Got something to say about these trails, y'all. Come this fall, Angie and I are going to come back here to try to hit some trails. Now, I can do the trails, but I probably won't be able to do the super long ones. This is Red Spring Loop and says it's easy. right there. So I'll be able to do a trail like this, you know, and I'll be able to do a long trail as long as there's not any steep hills or any steps. Then again, that's this fall, you know, it's September now, so maybe things will change by then, and I don't know. I've been doing exercises with my leg, but I only started doing the exercises with my leg back a couple weeks ago. So I'm trying to get the strength back in it. That's the problem right there, guys. It doesn't have the strength it used to have. Because I had to baby this damn thing for, God, well, pretty much a year. All right, guys. I'm going to cut it off now. Wait for them to get back up. I'm in the shade, and they're going to wish like hell they did not go down there. Trust me. There was a lot of steps. I feel stupid, or I feel bad for not going down there, too. I hate the fact I didn't. But anyway, we'll go to the next location. It may be here or it may be Brookville Lake. I think it's going to be here. Guys, I bring you to Brookville Lake. Yeah. We're going to get a shot from up here and we're going to get a shot from down yonder. Right there's Brookville Lake. Or Brookville Lake, Brookville Beach. Holy, this will be my 3rd time visiting this beach within the last 4 years. All right, let's walk on down. And Kitt's being awful naughty. If he's allowed in the sand, it'd be the first sand my puppy's ever had or been in. Yeah, he is pulling me like a son of a gun because he's never been here before. This is all brand spanking new to him. We're going to read this sign down here because I don't remember if dogs are allowed on the beach or not. But my son's got a lot of photo opportunity down here.
There's somebody.
Oh. There are herons out the boku. Geese as well. But wow. By the way, it's a little warmsy today. Yeah, it is. Okay, bottles and pets are not permitted on sand area of the beach. Well, guess what? You can't get into the sandy area. But technically, this is closed, right? I don't know. Now, the last time we've been down here, the water was nowhere near where it is now. That's why I think since it is a reservoir, they raise and lower the water at will. Because last time we was here, the water was way down. Well, Kitt, I'm sorry. The only beach sand you're going to get is on this sidewalk right here. Take a good look, Bubby. Hey, take a good look because it's the only beach sand you're going to get right here is what's on this little sidewalk right here. Sorry, Bubby. That's it. Here's another shot, guys. Now, if you think this is beautiful, it is. And yes, it's quite a sizable lake. But where we're going to take you next, I think, and so does my wife, it's going to be the prettiest sight of all. Holy. It is hot down here. You know what's funny? Obviously, we've never been swimming in this. It absolutely, oh man. Oh. I love it. Dame's following the bird. You see it fly over me here in a minute with his camera. His camera could take many shots at one time. And I'm hoping he got the perfect shot on that. He's still getting it. But anyway, this might be something you guys might like. Okay, Kitt, go and smell the pool. Oh my gosh. But this does nothing for me. This beach, I could definitely do without it. I'm not... I don't get all, oh my God, this is so cool. I don't get that way. And every time I come here, which just makes the 3rd time, I say the same thing. Every single time. Now, when we was at Whitewater, we stayed there a little longer, explored a little bit more. A lot of it was off camera. I mean, I could have put it on camera, but it wasn't like anything really big. We will be coming back there, probably to hike some trails. Now, the thing is, we are a good piece from home, guys. Yeah, we had to drive a good piece to get here. So it ain't somewhere we can come just like, let's just head over here. No. This is when we got about, a couple days. Well, they went camping over here. I would like to get a cabin over there, Whitewater. But, there's not really a lot of opportunities over there to fish. There's not a lot of opportunities here to fish. No, you can't have that puddle. Holy crap. That's a big footprint. Sorry guys, took my mind off what I was thinking. There's not a lot of places to fish unless you have a boat. Well, I'm gonna head back to the car and I will videotape more at the next location. Now, will I end the video there? Do not know. Do not know. I do know before we leave the town of Brookville, I might have accidentally called this place Batesville. I've been making that mistake all my life, actually. But before we leave the town of Brookville, I do want to explore around here. See what the cemeteries and graveyards they may have. See other things they may have. Will I get that on video? Do not know. More than likely not. Now tomorrow we're headed to a place called Metamora. Been there twice. Got Metamora on video once. It is the off season, by the way. I will explain more about it in the video. Last time we went there, we went on what they call the Canal Trail. So tomorrow we're headed to the Metamora and we'll get more then. So guys, I will see you at the dam, the locks, something. Get ready for a beautiful sight. That's what I keep telling Damien. And I said, watch, when we get there, he's gonna be like, oh, no big deal, Dad. See you there, guys. Okay, we are here. We're gonna be passing some people on by, but don't worry about that. I'm used to videotape when there's people near me. The spot we're going to now is probably the best spot than the spot we was going to, because the spot we was going to go to, you'll see it from here. So yeah, let's get up here and I'll show you what I mean. Brookville Lake, 1975. U.S. Army Corps Engineers, Louisville, Kentucky?
Louisville District.
I know, all district, okay. All right, guys, let me show you where we're headed. Whoops, wrong way, Michael. Right there's the viewing deck, and it does have the best view. It does. See, there was a spot that we came to 4 years ago. It was a mile walk down, and I thought that was the spot we was going back to. I totally forgot about this spot. Okay, I want to get up here and see what my son's reaction is. He's never seen this spot before. Okay, I don't know if you can see, but there's a long walkway. That's where we was at last time. But here's the viewing area of Brookville Lake. Look how beautiful this is. Holy smokes. Swing the camera around. There it is, guys. There it is. Brookville Lake, man. Fantastic. Pretty soon I gotta get a thumbnail out of this. I probably won't add nobody in the thumbnail but me. And maybe this would be my background, I don't know, but let's swing the camera back again. I could use jump cuts, but I'm not going to. There's where I thought we was going, because that was the other place we went. That is exactly, you can't see, there's a lot of it's not showing, but that road goes up exactly 1 mile. And Angie and I walked that back 4 years ago. Now there's a monster, and I do mean a monster trail over on the other side. I planned on doing that before I hurt my leg. So I don't know if I could ever do it. Something like a 10-mile trail. That was something we was going to do. There's another place you go and sit down. And the facility's right yonder here. I got to go to the bathroom. Yes, I do. You won't be able to hold him. Let me turn this around. I have to put my camera down somewhere. And she's not going to be able to hold the camera and hold Kitt. That I could tell you now. I've been holding this for a while. Actually, you'll be able to see the road a little bit better before, right over here, before we go in. Right there. Right there. You can see, if you can see the start of it through the trees. That right there, guys, is one of the cleanest restrooms I've ever been in. Hey, they got a doggy too. Let's walk down here and get another view of this before we take out of here. So we got a long way home. So let me turn the camera around and let you see what I see as I'm going towards. It is beautiful, isn't it? Oh, there's my wife and my puppy. Yeah. He sees the other dog. And there's my son. Let's get this on here real quick.
He tried to jump
Whoops.
the wall.
He tried to jump the wall?
He did.
If you guys want to freeze the video right here and read that, be my guest. And right now we're going to turn the camera up a little bit. Hey, I actually was able to get it up this time. You can see the road better now.
You cannot jump on.
It's actually a mile long. One more shot, y'all. One more shot. Okay, let's swing it around to right about here. I think I use, oh, I didn't get my sunglasses on, so not sure what thumbnail I'm going to use of me, but maybe something like this back there be my background. Brookville Lake, guys. Whitewater Park, Brookville Lake. It's a park as well. And there you go. That's been today's venture, y'all. I hope you enjoyed it. If everything goes well, we will go to Metamora, probably tomorrow or the next day, and we're going to be doing some fishing. I did some fishing last night, but I did not put that in the video, or I didn't put that on video. Till next time, y'all. Thanks for watching. I can't be shouting because Angie says I talk too loud. Until next time, come on, let's get out of here. I hope you enjoyed today's video. We'll see you on the next adventure.